fly? Will the bird really be able to touch the sky? Can it soar above the clouds, beyond gazing eyes? Can it fly past the moon and the stars that seem so high? Can it fly? Can a black man dream? Can I touch the sky? Can I soar above the clouds that seem so high? Can I fly past the moon and the stars that seem so high? Can I conquer the fears that reside so deep inside, not to be shown but to simply hide from those I deeply enshrine? What can I do to possibly achieve and succeed when it seems to be a pre-planned destiny to me? What can I do? What can I do to achieve against the humanity that tries to come and stifle me continuously? How can I possibly achieve? What can I possibly do? Crawl, walk, run, sprint, and climb is what I can do to succeed. But not only will I fly past my dreams, I'll fly past the statistics put on me. But I ask again, can a bird fly? Will a bird really be able to touch the sky? Can it soar above the clouds beyond gazing eyes? Can it fly past the moon and the stars that seem so high? Can a bird fly?